And Trina wrote this wonderful article, it's a very provocative article about mediation as being, and it really grew out of her experience in one of the local California courts, which is a recommending court, where she goes into this place and, you know, felt that the mediator had taken sides with her husband, didn't really understand where she's coming from.
Now, is this her personally?
This is her personal experience, and it's not, you know, it's not revealing a. I mean, I, as a result of her article in the Yale Law Journal, invited her down to talk to our staff because I felt we had a lot to learn from her. And she talked about, and one of the things she liked about our service was that it was confidential, that we didn't make a report, and that we left it with the parties to make their own decisions.
Now that's an interesting piece that not a lot of people perhaps know.
Right.
So in California, you have a number of counties that were and have been and remain open, where the mediator, if there's no result in the mediation, makes a recommendation, and what has gone on in the mediation is not confidential.
That's correct.
And then a number of counties, LA being one of them, where it is confidential.
That is how interesting how it grew up, because I think again, the probation department handled a lot of the original mediation. They just shifted it, so that's something they're used to. They make reports. We were more respectful. The conciliation model was more respectful of the decision being made by the family themselves, and that you had to have a clear separation. When the legislation went forward, and you know, I was involved in that, and I can remember going before the Senate Judiciary Committee. Alan Cerroti was the senator who carried it, and we had somebody from Fresno, or I shouldn't mention the county, but said they were going to oppose it unless we put in language that said the county the county could actually have, you had the option of having one or the other. Otherwise, it would have been, as it's in Oregon, where it's confidential. I think that was if there's anything, I regret that. I think
regret allowing there to be open.
Yeah, because we were afraid that we wouldn't get the legislation through that committee.